Hey guys, it's Marshall from Going Gear, and today we're going to take a look at the new Fenix HP11 headlamp. This is their latest headlamp, still powered by 4 AA batteries like a couple of their other ones. But let's go ahead and pull it out, show you what you get, show you how the operation works and everything. Here is the headband. So you have one that actually goes around your head, and then a top strap as well. But since I'm not going to be putting this one on my head right now, we are not going to show that. But that is the headband. I wanted to show you more of the operation of the light and everything. Here are a couple clips so you can attach the cord to the headband a little bit better. That's what these two clips are. Instruction information, and then a diffuser, which we'll get into here in just a minute a little bit better. But here is the battery pack. This is the thing that's going to go on the back of your head, or you could drop it down and put it on your pack or wherever else you want to put it. But you've got this knob on the side that you unscrew, and once you get that unscrewed, you can see the battery carrier slides out, and then you just take 4 AA batteries and put them in there. So we've got 4 rechargeables. This light is made to take rechargeables. I know a lot of headlamps on the market for many years were not, but Fenix is good about allowing the use of rechargeables. So we've got the battery pack in there, and you can see it'll only let you put it in one way. So if you put it in the wrong way, it won't actually go in. But put it in the right way, screw it back down, and it has a really nice seal on there so you get good water tightness. So we got that cranked down, and then here is the light itself. So 2 switches here on the top, similar to the way the HP10 was, just a little bit different layout. Of course, better performance, higher output on this guy. So switch on the right, you can see when you have it off, it doesn't do anything. Switch on the left, when you have it off, it's going to power the light on and off. And then the switch on the right, that's how you're going to switch between your modes. 4 different outputs that you can cycle between. And just like most lights, turn it off, turn it back on. It's going to have a memory for the last output you had it in. And then you also have some flashing modes. Double click the power button, that left switch, and it'll go into your flashing modes. And there's the strobe, you can see. Hit the selector switch, the one on the right. That's when it goes into your SOS. And there's kind of a beacon flashing mode, slower strobe if you will, and then back into strobe. So you have 3 different flashing modes. And now when you turn the light off, say you have it in this SOS and then you turn it off, and you turn it back on, it's going to go into the last output that you had it in, not the last flashing mode. But when you go back into the flashing modes, it will remember the last flashing mode you had it on there. It's just when you first turn that light on, it's going to go into the last output that you had on. And the diffuser just goes onto the front of it right here. If you ever had a like the Petzl Mayo, the Mayo XP or the Mayo RXP, it's got a similar kind of performance on that. So you have the flip up, flip down diffuser, and you have it flipped up, covered. It has this really nice, smooth, even beam, lights up a wide area at once. Flip it down for more of a spot. And then when I take it outside, you'll see that in a little bit better detail. It's kind of hard to see indoors from 6 inches away, but there is a pretty big difference between up and down, so you'll see that better when I take it outside. So that's the interface and everything about the light. We're going to go ahead and take this outside, and we'll show you how the Fenix HP11 does outside. Okay, we're outside with the HP11. We're going to be comparing it to the big 40 mag light that I always use. So let's go ahead and give that mag light a shot. 15 feet and 100 feet. Zoom in on the 100. Lights up the tree, part of it anyway. That's about it. Alright, let's try the HP11, see how it does. There's the lowest output, next up, and the highest output. You can see 100 feet, no problem for this guy. Zoom in on that. Lights up the whole tree, lights it up really well. Not only that, but it lights up everything around it as well. And obviously 15 feet is no problem. But we'll cycle through, show you the lowest output is actually enough to see what's going on in front of you. You can use that to look inside your pack, hike around on trails when you want to save battery, or you just don't want all the light of the highest output. So there it is without the diffuser. I'm going to flip up the diffuser real quick just so you can see the difference. Kind of nice. I find the diffuser for this and other lights extremely useful. Shine that around a little bit. but it just lights up everything in front of you, takes the beam and just spreads it out. I think that's really, really useful, especially in headlamps. Okay, so that's it with medium and short range distances. Let's try this out with a longer distance and see how it does. Okay, we got a distance shot for the HP11. We'll go ahead and try out that mag light first. There's my house at 50 yards, tree in the front yard at 100 yards. Can see the house okay, can't really see the tree. Okay, here is the HP11. Make sure it's in that max output. You can see even 100 yards away without that diffuser flipped up, no problem for it at all. Lights up the top of that tree really, really well, which is over 100 yards away. And then obviously the house at 50 yards, no problem at all. And we flip the diffuser up, you can see 50 yards, the house still lit up pretty well. Tree in the front yard, obviously it's not going to light up because you're basically killing all your throw. But flip it back down and you get all your throw back. So there you go. That is the Fenix HP11. If you like it, you can get it from us at goinggear.com. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us in the comments or at goinggear.com. And if you like the video, be sure to subscribe. We put out a lot of flashlight videos.